How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you. So I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money with this method. So here, open your browser, then open Google Maps in the browser and wait for it to load. Then go to the search and type the United States, which is the country we are going to target in today's method. So here, let's go to the United States and wait for it to load. Then zoom in on the states here. Let's zoom in on the states and let's choose a city or a state that we are going to apply this method in. So here let's choose Nebraska and let's choose a small town in here or a city. Let's choose Sioux Falls, and here I zoomed on everything. I wanted just to zoom in on Sioux Falls. So let's zoom in carefully, and this is the city or the town. Let's go to the search to start looking for the small businesses. But before that, I'm going to talk about the services that we are going to offer these small businesses. So the first service is the website creation. We are going to see or check their profile if there is any website, if they have any website. If not, we are going to offer to create one for them. And the second service is removing the bad reviews from their profile in Google Maps. And the third service is the social media accounts managing. So here, let's start looking for the small businesses. For example, like plumbers here, plumber, and click on search to see all of the available plumbers in the area. So let's wait for their profiles to load, and here you can see that we have a lot of plumbers in the area. And guys, in order to contact the plumbers with the highest rate of working with us directly, make sure to avoid the profiles with sponsored in their profile and also the ones with more than 150 reviews, because most likely those profiles are way more out of our league. So let's just go for the ones with less than 150 reviews and with no sponsored written in their profile. Like here, Kramer Plumbing, for example, 61 reviews, 4.9 stars, which is perfect for us. Let's scroll down to see. Here they have their website. Let's check their website to see if it would need any renovations. And here it seems like their website is very old. Also the logo is old as well. Let's remove that. Here you can see old colors, old icons, old in everything. So we can offer to renovate the website for them. So that's the first service we are going to offer them. And I forgot to check their Facebook as well to see if we can offer them the social media accounts managing. So let's check their Facebook, wait for it to load, and let's scroll down to see. Here they have 1.8 thousand likes, and this is their posts. So it seems like they don't have anyone managing their social media. As you can see, just normal posts with no designing or nothing like that here. So they don't have anyone managing their social media, so you can offer that to them. So those are the two services we are going to offer them for now: social media managing and the website renovation. Let's scroll down to see if we can offer them the second service, which is removing the bad reviews from their profile. So here let's look for the 1-star reviews. That's our target. Let's go to more reviews and let's wait for it to load. Here, let's scroll down, hunting for the 1-star review, and I hope we can find more than one bad review, because the more bad reviews they have, the easier it will be for us to convince them to pay more than $100 for the service. So here, let's scroll down. I hope we can find that 1-star review. It's only the 5-star reviews for now. Still looking for the 1-star review. Let's scroll down. Only the 5 stars. So they have a lot of, and here it is, the 1-star review from Emily Pinin from 8 years ago. Very unreasonably priced. They talked to me on the phone but did not listen to my concerns. In the end, a lot of the job was about seeking money. And this is the response from the owner: "We're sorry, our records don't show that we've ever done work for you, and we do not have any record of your phone call." So this is a bad review, even though the owner tries to clear their name, but it's still a bad review in the profile, and it's still getting in the way of going to 5-star, to the 5-star rates. And if they are in the 5-star rates, they would be up in the search, in the results. They won't be up in the of the sponsored, but they would be in this place under the sponsored, which would help them make more money, because people always tends to go for the ones in the top of the results. So that's what we are going to tell them. By removing this bad review, it would help them make more money, because they would clear their reputation in the market, and also it would move them up the results in the search. So guys, as I said in the beginning, you won't need to learn any skill or to deliver any service yourself. You just need to land the client, make them pay you $200, $250 for the 3 services that we are going to offer them. Then go to a platform called Fiverr.com. Wait for it to load, which is a platform where you can find a lot of freelancers that can deliver all of the services that we need to deliver to that small business. So you can just hire the freelancers that you would need. Then, for example, you can hire these freelancers, and it would be a total of $105 in total of hiring these 2 freelancers, and you can take the rest of the money in your pocket. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.